All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's a teaser real quick. I've got ps3 controller, it's not on. I have an old Samsung tablet. Can't do this on iPad or iPhone. That's the only thing that sucks. You used to be able to connect the ps3 controller and use it for Bluetooth mapping and all that stuff on older firmwares, but the newer ones that are jailbreakable, you can't do it. But on Samsung tablets, any Android stuff that you can throw a root on real quick, no problem. Here's the teaser. All right, controller's off. I'm gonna go ahead and power the controller up, and it should automatically connect by hitting the PS button.
30 minutes to break the code, 2 hours.
All right, we are connected. So let's get out of here. I'm still connected. Here, red light. All right, we're gonna open up one of our apps that goes to a drone. Okay, here's Wi-Fi UFO. Okay, now this has to be on like this to be able to use this controller like this. It has to have these on like this. But here you go. Here's a little teaser. What? What? Okay, and then you can map your other buttons to go wherever you want them. I use the R1. Watch my rates. And then R2 for flips. Take a picture, L1. Take video, L2. You can map the buttons to wherever you want them. Except for here on the trims, because on this one, the trim, you have to slide them. But if there's a button on each side, you can map a button to that, and I use the directional pads for those. But there you go, guys. I'm still working on this. I'll have a video up pretty soon of how to set all this up and to do all this, and pretty much for free. See you guys later. Peace out. Y'all are going to be the first.